All right, Math 8, if you pay close attention to this one should be easy. If you don't, it will be confusing. So please pay attention on this one. So this con is recognize functions from a table. So you're going to notice we have this nice little table right here for you. And a function, to be a function, that means that every input only has one output. So we're going to talk about that. Notice that this right here is the input, okay? This over here then is the output. So if I have a type of hat as a beret, then that means I get a daffodil out of that, okay? Let's see, is there any more berets on here? Oh, there's another one here. If I have a beret for an input, that means I should get a daffodil, and I do get a daffodil for an output. So far, this is a function, okay? Let's see what else we got here. Is there any other pairs in here that I can look for? You know, this cloak. If I have a cloak for an input, I get violets for an output. If I have a cloak for an input, I have violets for an output. So that works. So that's good. Then let's see what else we've got. Panama. There's no other Panamas, so it doesn't matter. That only has one output. That's fine. A bowler. There's no other bowlers, so that's good. That works. A beanie. There's no other beanies, so that's good. And a fedora. There's only one fedora, so that's good. So every input only has one output. So because of that, then this is a yes. All it takes is one no, and it would be a no. But in this case, everything was a yes, so it works. Let's do another one just so you make sure you're good on this one. So on this one, we're dealing with numbers on this one, okay? So again, we're going to look at this. The number 20. So if 20 minutes is my input, my output should be 40. Is there any other 20s on here? Oh, there's another 20. Here's my input of 20. My output should be 40. Ooh, look at this. Do you notice on this one? The output here is 42. So the input of 20 has two different outputs. One's 40, one's 42. I don't even have to look further. All it takes is one no, and it's a no for your answer there. I wonder if there was, if I look through there, if there was any more that would say no. Let's see, 25, there's only one 25 on here, so we'll just cross that one off. That would have worked. 18, there's only one 18 on here. That one would have worked as well. 22, ooh, it looks like a couple 22s. So this 22 had an input of 42. This 22 had an input of 41. Notice that those would have been different again. So again, that would have been no for that. And let's see, 30 would have been a 52. That's only 30, and there's only 123. So twice this was proven wrong. So that's what you're doing, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.